This is the life. Bro,
Oh,
may tanong ako sa'yo.
ano yan, Brad?
May kitripa mo ba ako?
Hindi, bro. Okay nga to, yo.
Akala ba Balbas Brothers tayo?
Bagus Brothers tayo, bro.
Ano ba yung pinagagawa mo sa akin?
O ano?
Ha?
Ano?
Kanina, pinatatakbo mo ako.
Oh.
Tapos, pinapahaplos mo ako. Nagtitipan mo yata ako eh.
Hindi, Brad.
Bakit si Bro J ba ginagawa mo sa kanya para to-shoot kayo?
Hindi, Brad. Di bagay kay Jay.
Bunun?
Oo. Maganda to.
Sigurado ka, di mo pagkitipan ha?
Hindi, bro.
Balbas Brothers tayo.
Siyempre, bro.
Ano gagawin natin? So we will be testing your tires.
Bumiyahe kami mula Motorworld, Ibis, hanggang Baler. Siguro may mga 200 kilometers siya tayo. Gamit ko po Suzuki SB650 SB650 at nakagulong ako ng Metzeler Sportec. Surprisingly,
English yun, ah.
nagulat mo nga eh.
Ah, sige, go. Ulit.
Surprisingly, nagulat ako dun sa kapit ng gulong. Kung kahit bago siya, talagang iba yung kapit niya dun sa sa pavement. Tapos hindi ako nakaramdam ng umiskid ako. Lalo na yung dumapak pa ako mag-isa sa mga sigsag. Nadadaanan ako may mga buhangin, may basang kalsada kasi from bundok maagos yung tubig.
We rode from Manila to Costa Pacifica and the group was able to ride in these 250 kilometers approximately the full range of Metzeler tires. Hi, I'm Flavia Maffei, I'm Marketing Manager for Asia Pacific for Metzeler Tires. We had all sorts of conditions. So we had the first few hundred kilometers of highway and straight roads. Then we went through villages. So there were quite some occasions of quick steering and hard braking needed. And then we went through a beautiful and scenic, twisty roads. We tried the full range in all sorts of conditions, tarmac conditions, speed conditions, and type of bike handling as well. We wanted to remind the consumer of the full range of Metzeler tires. But Metzeler has a complete range of products, starting from racing, road racing, super sports, sport touring. So we wanted to remind the riders that Metzeler presents all sorts of solutions according to what the rider is looking for and the type of tire that is after. So starting from the race deck, the Baler, which is our road racing tire, going through, for example, the Metzeler. Some riders today rode on Metzeler M7, Sportec M7, which is our latest super sport product. One of the products today was also the Rotec 01 sport touring tire. And then we also tried Turans Next and Karu 3, which are adventure enduro on-off tires.
sa akin ni Jay na, Michael, ikaw ang papapuntahin ko sa Baler. Well, excited ako. Dito tayo mga paps. Costa Pacifica. Kung saan tayo malalagi ng isang gabi.
Tumayo muna.
Lalo na yung pag nakakakwentuhan mo yung mga motojournalists, which is marami ka rin matututunan mula sa kanila eh. Mga nakaraan nila, paano sila unti-unting umangat, kung saan sila ngayon nakaposisyon. Tsaka ano, iba yung feeling na pupunta ka sa isang lugar na ito-document nyo. Iba din yung feeling na ipapatest sa yung motor. Or usually, ang gamit ko lang motor ko lang. Diba? Masarap. Masarap yung ganitong setup.